Today we're learning two useful expressions with okage, okage de to say thanks to, and okage-sama de, a polite way to say I'm doing well. Let's learn how to express gratitude in Japanese. First, okage de. Use it when something good happened because of someone or because of something connected like this. A noun plus no okage de, a verb plus okage de, any adjective plus okage de, an adjective plus no okage de. Then tell us the good result that happened because of it. Use okage de to show thanks and appreciation. 友達のおかげでとても楽しい旅行になった。 Thanks to my friends it became a wonderful trip. 先生が推薦してくれたおかげで大学に入ることができました。 Thanks to my teacher's recommendation I was able to enter university. 毎日練習したおかげで上手になりました。 Thanks to practicing every day I became better. Thank you. Because of you everything changed. Now, okage-sama de. This is a fixed expression. You don't change it. No noun, no verb or adjective comes before it. Simply say okage-sama de. When someone asks how you've been, it's a polite, humble way to say thankfully I'm doing well, or things are going well. Okage genki desu. Thankfully I'm doing well. Okage-sama de. 仕事は順調で Thankfully work is going well. おかげさまで病気も良くなりました。 Thankfully I've recovered from my illness. Thankful hearts, happy days. Every smile has a reason. Okage.